Hi, this is Julie Gallagher from Get on the Map, and I am here to tell you today about a program that I offer that I call Brand Visibility. Every business that I've ever talked to in my 25-year career of marketing has told me that word of mouth and referral business is the most important business to them. And so the internet affects that. So what happens when you have a word of mouth or referral client and they look up the name of your business on Google or the other search engines? What do they see? So I've typed in Get on the Map here, and you see that my first list, the first entry is my website and the fact that I have 9 Google reviews. It shows the map of where I'm located. I have a Yelp review that says I have 10 5-star reviews on Yelp, my LinkedIn page, my personal LinkedIn page, as well as my business LinkedIn, my Facebook, Angie's List, some logos, and a couple of results that are businesses that sound similar to mine. But 7 out of 10 of the listings are positive things about my business that will help me ensure that a word of mouth or referral client will actually call me. And the same thing happens when they search for my personal name. There's my Twitter account, my LinkedIn account, my photographs, my Facebook page, my website, my blog, my SlideShare account, my Pinterest, and a video. So I know that if I have someone refer a friend or colleague to me, that what they see is exactly what I want them to see. If you Google yourself and your personal name and your business name, and what comes up is not ideal, please call me because I can help you with this. My website is getonthemap.us. My telephone number is 916-265-2521. If you click on either one of these tabs on the Contact Us on the left-hand side, that lets you fill out a form to tell me that you want to talk to me. And if you click this Send Voicemail, you can make a recording right from the comfort of your computer, and that also goes to me in email, and I will call you back. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.